Children, the mill workers were in the forefront of the Solapur Satyagraha. Now I will be discussing about Solapur Satyagraha. They observed Hartal on 6th May 1930. Police stations, courts, the railway station and municipal buildings were attacked. It was practically people who ruled Solapur. At last, the government called in the army. Martial law was imposed and thus the movement in Solapur was suppressed. Malappa Dhanshetty, then Shri Krishna Sarda, Kurban Hussain and Jagannath Shinde were hanged for their participation in the Satyagraha. So children, the mill workers were on the forefront in the Solapur Satyagraha. On 6th May 1930, Hartal was observed in Solapur. A huge procession was organized in Solapur. The district collector gave orders of firing on the procession. Many volunteers along with Shankar Shivdare died in the firing. As a result, people started attacking police stations, railway station, courts, municipal buildings, etc. The government declared martial law and agitation was suppressed. Those who took lead in this movement, such as Malappa Dhanshetty, Sri Krishna Sarda, Kurban Hussain, and Jagannath Shinde, were hanged to death. Another Satyagraha I will discuss now, that is Darshana Satyagraha. The Satyagraha at Dharshana in Gujarat was led by Sarojini Naidu. The police lathi charged on the Satyagrahis who came forward to break the SALT Act. The Satyagrahis silently tolerated the blows of the lathi. When they were taken away for medical aid, another batch of Satyagrahis came forward to replace them. This continued endlessly, and in Maharashtra, Salt Satyagraha took place at Wadala, Malvan and Shiroda. Where there were no salt pans, the forest laws were broken. There were jungle satyagrahas at Bilashi, Sangamer, Kalavan, Chirner and Pusad in Maharashtra. The tribal people also took part in the satyagraha in large numbers. So children, after the arrest of Gandhiji, the leadership of Satyagraha at Dharshana in Gujarat passed on to Sarojini Naidu. The police lathi charged the Satyagrahis who came forward to break the SALT Act. The Satyagrahis quietly suffered the blows of the lathi. When they were finally taken away by the Congress workers for medical aid, another batch of Satyagrahis came forward to replace them. This continued endlessly. In Maharashtra, there were salt satyagrahas at Wadala, Malwan, Shiroda, and other places. Where there were no salt pans, people began to break the forest laws. There were jungle satyagrahas at many places such as Bilashi, Kalwan, Chirner, and Pusad in Maharashtra. Adivasis joined the jungle satyagraha in large number. So children, today I have discussed about civil disobedience movement. You have come to know that in the Lahore session, full powers regarding the launching of the civil disobedience movement were given to Mahatma Gandhi. Before launching the movement, Gandhiji put forward various demands such as abolition of the salt tax, prohibition of liquor, and end of monopoly right of the government to manufacture salt, but the government rejected those demands. Then Gandhiji therefore decided to start a countrywide satyagraha by breaking the Salt Act. Then children, I have discussed about the Dandi March. Gandhiji decided to launch the Salt Satyagraha at Dandi in Gujarat. On 6th April, Gandhiji picked up the salt on the seashore at Dandi and broke the Salt Act. Thus began the nationwide civil disobedience movement. Then you have come to know about the Peshwa Satyagraha in the northwest frontier province. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was the most loyal follower of Gandhiji. He began a satyagraha at Peshawar on 23rd April 1930. Then also I have discussed about the Solapur Satyagraha and Dharsana Satyagraha, which is in Bihar. And then you have come to know where there were no salt pans, people began to break the forest laws. There were jungle satyagrahas at many places, and Adivasis joined the jungle satyagraha in large numbers. So, children, the later part of the topic I will discuss tomorrow. Now it is your turn. You should read your textbook. From the beginning of the topic, you should read your textbook. You should read your textbook carefully, and also you should listen to the videos carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.